Did you know NEOM is the opportunity to recast the relations between people and the planet to set an accelerator of human progress that will embody the future of innovation and business towards a reimagined future, living activities where social and economic development occurs harmoniously with the friendly nature core to NEOM City. Missions are to protect and restore an unwavering commitment. Welcome back again to Sultan TV official. 95% of NEOM City will be protected by natural habitats. At NEOM, we believe in inspiring people to live naturally healthier lives through our 100% natural fragrances to boost your well-being, revitalized biologically, diversity restored and vast areas of lands and sea replanted. 100 million trees, shrubs and grasses will accelerate the return of lost species. 2 million planet energy and nature protected and nurtured for the future living generation. NEOM is the world's most ambitious tourism project. There would be Oxagon, a city floating on water spanning 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles, making it the largest floating structure in the world. This is NEOM, the city of future living in Saudi Arabia. Hope you will like and share this Sultan TV official video. My heartfelt appreciation for your loving comments. We'll meet you in another amazing video.